Okay, so welcome back. Today I'm going to go over Fruity Delay. This is essentially a very stripped down Fruity Delay 3 or Fruity Delay 2, because it is the first in the series, I guess you could say. Here we've got controls for input, and there's like a little visualization there. Feedback, which is like the mix of the sound coming out, sorta. And then a low pass filter cutoff for the affected signal, not the whole signal. Then we can choose the tempo or just match to the project. It goes all the way up to 280. And we can change these steps here, so 16th notes or 1 notes. I'll just demonstrate those. So just do quarter notes. So that's sort of how it's going to change. And then you can change the mode from normal to inverted stereo and then to ping pong. So ping pong will like pan the signal from left to right and stuff. But that's about it. You got a couple presets here, of course. Same with most Fruity plugins. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.